Welcome back to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix messenger notification not working on Samsung S23 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on notification and click on do not disturb, and make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. Scroll down and search messenger app from here. Click on messenger app, click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache messenger app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, click on general management, click on reset and reset all setting. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue and reset all settings. Reset, so it just reset all settings. It's not gonna remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.